Hello guys, hello friends, hello subscribers. Yes, Offer Chef is around, and today Offer Chef is going to make okra stew, and he is going to combine it with TZ to Zafe. And here are my ingredients. I'm going to introduce the ingredients one after the other. Yes, I have my fried fish here. I have my chili pepper, chili pepper, and then my palm oil. I also have my chopped tomatoes and chopped onion as well. My fish is already boiled. I have my okra itself, and then green leaves, and I also have my blended tomatoes, ginger, and garlic as well. Yes, now we are beginning with our food, and I have to boil my okra first, and I'm going to boil it with the stock from the meat that I have already boiled. I'm not going to use the ordinary water. Of course, you can also use ordinary water for that, but I'm going to use the stock from the meat that I have used to boil my meat. Yes, so that is it, and I'm going to add a little ginger, what do you call it, onion to it, a little onion to it. Yes, and then stir it a little bit, not so much water, a little bit, not so much. Yes, add a little of the stock to it. There's a stock from the meat I have already boiled. I think it's okay. Yeah, you leave it for about 4 to 5 minutes.